In today's video, I'll show you how to share Calendly links step by step. If you want clients, customers, or teammates to book time with you easily, sharing your Calendly link correctly is essential for getting more scheduled meetings. First, sign into your account and go to your dashboard. Once you're inside, make sure you already have at least one event type created, because your Calendly link is generated from your event types. Now go to the Event Types section. Select the event you want to share, such as a consultation, coaching call, or meeting. Inside the event settings, you will see your unique booking link. Click the Copy Link button to copy it instantly. Now you can share this link anywhere. For example, you can paste it into your email signature, so every email you send includes a booking option. You can also share it on WhatsApp, Messenger, or other chat apps when communicating with clients. If you're a content creator or business owner, you can add the link to your Instagram bio, YouTube description, TikTok profile, or website so people can book you directly. Next, you can also share different links for different services. Simply create multiple event types, and each one will generate its own unique booking link. Before finishing, test your link by opening it in an incognito browser to make sure it loads correctly and shows your availability. This ensures your clients get a smooth booking experience without errors. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to share Calendly links across different platforms to make scheduling fast and effortless. And that's how you share Calendly links. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.